Hi everyone, it's Rico here. Today, I'll show you how to recover data from an SSD after file deletion using an AI-powered recovery tool that makes the process smarter and easier. But first, let's quickly learn how to check whether your drive is an SSD or an HDD. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+ESC or simply right-click the taskbar to open Task Manager. I switch to the Performance tab. You'll see your drives listed as SSD or HDD. Here's my example. I have two internal drives. My C drive is an SSD, while D and E are on an HDD. For today's demo, I'll be running the recovery process on my Windows internal SSD drive. So, why does drive type matter? Because SSDs use a special feature called trim, which has a big impact on how deleted files are handled. So, what exactly is trim? Trim is a special SSD command that tells the drive which data blocks are no longer in use after you delete a file. This way, the SSD can clean them up in advance, keeping the space ready for new data. Sounds complicated? Here's a simpler way to see it. When trim is enabled, deleting a file feels like having a helper. You delete a file and your system tells trim, "Hey trim, I just deleted this file, I don't need it anymore."
Got it. I'll clean up its house when I'm free, so next time you want to save something new, I'll be ready. No delay.
That's trim, working quietly in the background, tidying up space you don't see, and keeping your SSD faster and healthier over time. However, when trim is enabled, once it has finished its cleanup, recovering deleted files becomes much harder compared to a traditional HDD. So, does that mean data is completely unrecoverable? Not always. In some cases, even with trim enabled, it's still possible to recover data within a short time window. This is because trim doesn't always erase the data instantly. It can take a few seconds or even minutes. During that gap, professional data recovery tools may still be able to retrieve the files before they get overwritten by new data. RecoveryFox AI is a powerful SSD data recovery tool on Windows for various storage devices. It's simple, intuitive, and easy to use, even if you're not a tech expert. Next, I'll show you how to recover deleted data from an SSD using this smart recovery tool. Even if trim is enabled, acting quickly gives you the best chance to get your files back. Go to the official RecoveryFox AI website or use the link in the comments to download the software. Note that install it on a different drive, not the SSD where your files were lost. This prevents overwriting your data. Next, open RecoveryFox AI. Select your SSD from the drive list. In my case, I'll choose local disk C and start the scan. The tool first runs a quick scan, which only takes a short time. Then it automatically switches to AI scan for a deeper, more advanced recovery. RecoveryFox AI uses AI algorithms to identify and reconstruct files faster and more accurately. And here's something important. To ensure no harm to your original data and drive, RecoveryFox AI works with the same principles as 4K alignment and allows intelligently skipping blank sectors and empty spaces. You can enable these options in the settings before starting recovery. Once the scan finishes, you'll see the results. Under the File Path tab, I can open the Quick Scan folder and find the test files I just deleted from my Windows SSD, restored with their original names and folder structure. Right-click a file to preview it before recovery. When you're ready, select the files or even whole folders you want, and recover them to a different drive for safety. Recovering data from SSDs can be tricky because of trim, but if you act fast and use reliable software like RecoveryFox AI, you'll have the best chance of getting your important files back. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more smart recovery tips, and share it with a friend who might need it. I'm Rico, signing off. Love you all and see you in the next video.